Hi everybody, welcome again with Learn Python. We're talking now about some interesting thing working with date and time in Python. There is a built-in module ready to handle date and time and calendar in Python. Python contains more than one module ready to handle date, time and calendar with easy. In the lesson, you will learn how to make use of the date time module and calendar module to display the date, time and calendar as you need. In the first example here, if you make an object date time dot now and print the date time object, it will bring you this, the date and the current time, date and time. If you need the date only, you can choose today method to represent you the date only, like this. Don't forget to import date and time module. It gives you current local date in a simple way. If you wanted to see what inside date and time all methods, you can import date and time and print dir. We're talking about dir before. Dir date and time, it will be show you all methods of date and time. Commonly used classes in the date and time module are date class, time class, date time class, time delta class. The third example, date object represent a date. If you wanted to edit a date yourself, you entering import date time date time dot date and entering year, month and day. It converts you to a date like this. You use year, month and day. You can use it as a parameters in your application to show certain date. Calendar module in Python. Calendar module contains many useful and helpful classes to show calendar of year. In the next example, we show calendar of year 2018 using the print calendar function, call function. You import calendar module, calendar 2018. The result like this. The year number here and the months, all months details as a calendar as you see. January, February, March and so on. Class functions of calendar. You can use calendar print calendar function call as this syntax. Year WLCM, this is parameter. Year was the year number, W is the default distance between 2 days, L is the default lines under each month, C is the distance between each 2 months, M number of months in each row, like this. If you have import calendar 2019 M4, that means there is 4 months per row. As you see before here, there is 3 months per row, 1, 2, 3. Now we will show 4 months per row, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. You can make 2 months per row, 6 months per row, as you want. Check if year is a leap year. It is 356 days by year. You import calendar is leap and put the year here. Year 2018 This is not a leap year. 2019 not a leap year. 2020 is a leap year. True. To set the first day of week, by default Monday is the first day of the week, as you know. If you wanted to change that, it must be first day weekday function. You can specify the calendar day directly, or use this index for the day, the selected day. Calendar dot set first weekday, and put weekday inside this, or use the index. 0 for Monday, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 2, Thursday 3, Friday 4, Saturday 5, Sunday 6. If you want to set calendar Sunday here, and the calendar we are calling a calendar print calendar of 2018, the result like this. And the first day is Sunday of the week, always for all months. First day is Sunday. The last example about how to print calendar of certain year. You can use calendar and print months, BR months, and adding year, months, W and L. W for date column width, and L for line per week. Here. We can test it actually by using PyScripter. Import calendar, BR months, and open this year, this month, 2 and 1, and run. It will give you this month of year, November 2019, and start with Monday. If you wanted to start with Saturday, you can use index. Index of Saturday is 5. Calendar, set first. It will be very helpful because it gives you the order. Select after pressing the first letter. 6, and run again. It will give you with Sunday. I'm sorry, it is 5. Saturday is the first day of the week of November 2019. Thank you. If you have any question, you can contact me with Udemy question and answer. See you in the next lecture.